Hello, welcome to Kids Color and Brush. Today we will learn ABCD, A to N alphabet. Let's start the video. A is for astronaut. B is for balloon. C is for candy. D is for dot. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for gun. H is for house. I is for ice cream. J is for jungle. J is for jungle. K is for kite. L is for lamp. M is for mouse. N is for nest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next video.